up fairly well. Find 5 more just driving around town. The nano, the universal, that still counts in an ammo, micro, nano, lamppost, 8 little bison, 2 in a row. Time for a park and grab, you know. 32 down, 68 to go.
I have done a lot of cool things in the world of geocaching. I found the 8 cache in Brazil. I've been to Germany. I've been to Korea. But there is one thing I haven't done, and that is a big day, a big icon day where you find several different of geocaching types. What?
Did you just say icon day?
There's an icon right here. Seemyshell, Craig, you're an icon. This is Craig, Seemyshell, the Aussie geocacher, and we're gonna find 13.
That's unlucky for some, but not for us today.
13 different kinds of geocaches. It's happening today. We're in Kansas. Could you believe it that we'd have to come to Kansas to do this?
It's so flat out here, I love it.
We're behind a donut shop, and we're gonna find the first cache of the day, which is an event cache. That smells good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, have you tasted it in an event like this ever before?
A great way to start the day. 1 down, 12 to go. Oh, those donuts were good, Craig.
Oh, I feel very rolly now.
Should we just roll away? And we're back. Hey, we're at ground zero of a traditional. It's behind us right here. Let's go find it.
See, I'm not as quick as
way
you.
faster than you.
Guys, come with me now. Have a look at this beauty here. I just saw her. Look at her. She's beautiful. She's large. She's bold. She's so exciting. Gotta be careful. Hey, step back for a second. You just gotta know how to handle them.
Okay, yep.
You grab them nice and slow.
Okay, has a bag.
Ooh, steady girl, steady. Ooh, steady girl. Steady girl. Oh, isn't she a beauty?
She's a beaut.
Crikey, this one's a big one, I tell you. Oh.
Another one inside.
Yes. Well,
It just had a baby.
It did. It gave birth. It gave birth right in front of our eyes. This, people, right here, this is what life is about. This is what makes me get out there, find the geocaches.
All right, we're heading into Colby because now we're doing what kind of cache, Craig?
A mystery cache.
Mystery, it's a mystery. All right, so you solved it, right? You solved the puzzle.
Absolutely.
What was the puzzle like?
It wasn't too bad. There's lots of birds.
That's all we need to know.
Lots of birds.
Lots of birds.
Lots of birds.
This looks like a bird-themed cache.
Oh, doesn't it? Oh.
Do you believe in love?
I do now.
Do you believe it's true?
Ooh, COVID, no.
Yeah. We are now at cache number 4? Four. And we're doing a letterbox hybrid, and we're doing it the right way. Craig has a little poem, and he's gonna read the poem to us, and it'll give us the information on how to get to the cache.
If you can understand the accent. With a wet nose, 4 paws, and a wagging tail.
I'm wagging my tail. I'm wagging my tail.
Side an uncharted trail.
It's a sidewalk.
We're exploring, but just what for? His only intention is to ensure I'm happy.
Are you happy? I'm happy.
So I stand back up and give him a patting.
We have to pat this or something?
Yeah, pat that.
There, pat that. Okay, good, check.
Using his super doggy sense, he takes me along the wooden picket fence.
Oh!
On we go with his tongue hanging out. I want to see that. We go a little further to the south.
To the south. We're going south. We're going south.
There is always an adventure just around the bend.
Oh, round the bend. Round the bend.
He's not only a puppy.
Okay.
He is my best friend.
Oh!
Look at that.
We found it!
The end of our endeavor, the only thing left is to pull the lever.
Help.
Oh, there's one at the back, Josh.
Oh, there's one at the back? The leather. Will you pull that lever? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I gotta hold it.
Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Yes! Ammo kid! Dude, that was the most beautiful poetry I've ever heard in my life. Yeah, especially.
Did you understand the accent?
Oh yeah, it made it even better. letterbox, we have a stamp, and we have an ink pad. I got my in the car, I got my journal. I got it! This is my journal. This is where I put all my stamps for letterboxes. Do you think that's enough?
Just.
Stamp, stamp, stamperoo. Letterbox complete! Celebrate good time. Come on. This is cache, what, number 5?
5.
And we're doing a Where I Go.
Where do you go, Josh?
I apparently go to Colby, Kansas, and I leave it, and I come back to it, I leave it, and I go out in the country, yeah. But you have the Where I Go app.
I do.
Pulled up, it's a reverse Where I Go. It's like a hotter or colder game. Look at that, there's the box.
So pretty, so pretty.
The box is gonna tell us where to go. You basically just gonna drive around, and it tells you if you're getting closer.
It's kilometers, Josh, it's kilometers.
I have no idea.
It's metric, Josh, it's metric.
Well, that'll help you. Does it tell us what direction we have to go?
No.
Oh my God.
Display distance.
How far?
1.6, oh,
We're further away. You're going the wrong way. How does that know where we're going? We traveled to the east. Will the number actually go down this time? We will find out.
Yes, yes, yes. We're so close, we're so close.
Close, how close?
Yes.
129.
Attempt number 5. 17 meters away.
Oh, there we go. Below our fingers are the numbers to the other part of the Where I Go, which is going to take us to the final.
Is this what you guys call LPC?
That's right, buddy. That's right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh.
Lift me up.
This is tough difficulty. Tough difficulty. Yes.
Reverse, reverse.
Reverse, reverse.
What's reverse, reverse?
We're at a water park. And we're here for what kind of geocache?
A multi-geocache, or multi.
2 stages, that's it.
Yep.
And it's at a water park, and guess what? It's called Splish Splash.
I was taking a bath.
Talking about a Saturday night, rub-dubba. Let's go find it. We found stage 1, aquatic park trees maintained by Audie Olson Pine Cone Removal Service? That's a clue.
Are we, so are we looking for a pine cone? We're looking for a pine cone.
I guess.
Well, there's a pine tree right here.
Oh, where could it be? Where could it be? Where can it? Oh, it's a 3D printed pine cone. Multi-cache unlocked. That's 6, right? Or 7?
6.
I've lost count.
6.
I am at my first mega. We're here, Craig.
We are.
The first mega since 2019. I got these special shoes like almost 2 years ago for my next mega. Look at these. These are Vans, limited edition. The world map is on there, and I've been waiting so long. These have been in my closet so long, and today's the day I'm gonna go to a first mega in almost 2 years. When I was a kid, I got my new shoes, I tested them out. Good traction, good speed. Craig, we're here. We're at the mega. Mingo Madness, 2 years in the making, finally. It feels good to be with people. No truer statement than this. Hey, Craig, it's something very, very rare. Now, slowly. Walk slowly up to him, slowly. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's Signal, and it's a locationless geocache.
Oh, no. These here you can only find at mega events, selected mega events. And this one here, Mingo Madness, is one of those selected events, locationless cache. It is here, you log it as a find, and that's it. And it's a separate icon. Let's go, Josh. Photo.
I have never found a locationless geocache in my life. That's all gonna change right now. You ready to go into the maze of wonder? I'm ready. Twonky's here. You lead the way, sir.
We send him in first.
I don't know what to do. I'm gonna get lost.
I'm not lost yet. You have one job in the maze, and that's not to get lost.
Where am I?
You're in a corner. You had one job. Maze unlocked. We're now in the land of desolation. But why are we here and where are we?
You can feel it. We're in Earthcache. This is not number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or even 9. This is number 10.
10!
10 for the day.
We're at Little Jerusalem Badlands State Park. Let's do this Earthcache.
Yeah.
For this Earthcache, we gotta actually scratch the rocks. Now, normally scratching is not good, but here it's okay. We got the information, and we're gonna send it to Memphis Mafia. And I just realized, we drove 2 hours.
And what did we do?
Round trip, 2 hours now, round trip to scratch a rock.
With our fingernails.
But you know what? We got it. Number 10 icon, on to 11. Let's go. You're not gonna believe where we are. We're at the world's oldest active geocache. That's Mingo. M-I-N-G-O, 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 and Mingo, what's its name? Oh, we've both been at Mingo. We found the geocache before, but now there's a plaque here that is a virtual, historical plaque.
Yes.
So all we need to do is we need to find it and get a picture.
All right.
And then we got a virtual. And what number of the icons is that? 11. We got the virtual.
Done.
But guess what? What? There's a lab cache here all about Mingo, and that will be number 12 for us. So Craig, pull it up. Pull it up on your phone. Let's answer some questions. Let's answer some adventure labs and get number 12. Hey! I'm sorry. Hey guys. Yep. Oh, purple squirrel! Congratulations, that's amazing. I love that guy. We're here! We're like literally in a carnival. Look at, there's the Tilter Whirl right there. But we're at a community celebration event. This is my first community celebration event, and for us, Icon 13. We did it! Yes, we did it! We got a band playing, we've got people mingling around.
It's Steve, isn't it? Steve
Weeks from the Travel Bugs.
Yes.
A lot of us geocachers, we like deserve to celebrate.
Yes.
After this year, it's been so awesome to be around geocachers again, have some fun in a safe way, outside. It's been a blast, and it's been awesome hanging out with you. I've never done a video with you. Can you believe it?
No, we haven't.
We've never, first time.
First time.
That should be another icon. 14. All right, now we just need you. What we need to go over here because there's probably more adventures over there.
Yeah, there is.
Click on Craig's head.